Hello out there in Dataland, my name is Robert Pound and I am a product technologist for Quest. And in today's video, we will talk about interacting with objects in Toad Edge. So when looking at the tool, when working with objects, the first thing you can do is use the object search. This is actually covered in another video, but I wanted to make you aware of it here. We will be spending the bulk of our time in the Object Explorer. So first off, anything you have in focus in the connections window is what will be displayed in the Object Explorer. So obviously, if I switch from my MySQL connection to my Postgres connection, I will see all the objects associated with that connection here in the Object Explorer. And this is because of the links. So we can see this icon here. This is linked with the editor. So whatever you're currently working on, whatever's in focus, is what will be displayed. So for instance, if we open up our QuickDocs, let me actually go ahead and restore it. Anytime I select something in the Object Explorer, it will update in the QuickDocs. So for instance, if I wanted to keep looking at this object while I navigate through or work in the worksheet, I can uncheck this. So now, as I'm navigating through, this object will stay up if I wanted to look at it. And I'll go ahead and link it back up. And looking at the rest of the toolbars in Object Explorer. So we can also define what we see in the Object Explorer. So if we don't want to see everything here, we can click on this filter button. So for instance, if you were only interested in views and tables, if you didn't want to see the rest of it, you could simply deselect everything else here. So let me go ahead and click OK. So now as we open up, we will only see tables and views. We don't see the rest of the objects. Opening a detail window. So when this is selected, anytime we select an object, it will open up a detail window. So as we navigate through, it will change the information in the details window. And if I uncheck this, then it should remain the same. And then there's a toolbar below this that has wizards associated with it and different options for a given object. So for instance, under tables, you can create a new table. You can drop tables, rename them, etc. You can also filter through the list. So for instance, if we were looking for a particular object. So this was a quick overview of working with objects in Toad Edge. Hopefully this helped you understand a little bit more about working with objects and working with Toad Edge. For more information on this or other topics, you can check out the help file. You can also check out the community-driven innovation going on at www.toadworld.com and clicking the Community tab. For more information on this product, go to www.quest.com/products/Toad Edge. Thank you and have a great day.